you had one too many.
Hey everybody,
Welcome back, or welcome for the first time. Today,
if you're new viewer.
Yeah, if you're new. This here is a 79 Dodge van. It's been in prior episodes. We're going to be removing the vent that's on there and installing a CharliesVanSalvage Venturi copy. I was bummed out this didn't fit on my super nice, really expensive vent, so I had to buy the vent that he built them for, which isn't near as nice as what I got, but it's going to be just fine. It's about looks, not functionality at this point. I absolutely hated that vent, the way it looks on there, ever since I bought it and put it on there. The reason why it's on there is because, as many may know, that I accidentally turned my sunroof into little bitty pieces of glass all over my whole body and inside the van. So needed to fill the hole. Thought a vent would be cool. Put it in. Hated how it looked. Works well. But this here rig is Charlie come up with these Venturi lid copies that are way cooler. So I have to I just bought this. He sells this as a whole unit, but I just bought the lid because I don't know, that's what I did. So we have to drill these rivets and then drill this and rivet it to that. I think Riley's gonna help me out getting the old one off. There's only 4 screws in it, and clip a wire and fight the butyl tape off.
Yeah, the butyl tape will be the hardest part, but
then yeah, that's what we're doing today.
we'll get her done though. Was that fan staying in?
This fan is in here, yeah.
Nice, so you will still have a fan.
I'll still have a fan, but it's
Not as fancy.
it's not near as fancy.
And you could always cut the other one in the back over your bed.
You can always cut a hole in that Astra van.
Well, we're gonna get after her, I think, here, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Wash dome with water-soaked cloth. Do not rub dry. Okay, so what we did here, we had to move oh boy, oh dear. We had to take a few screws out here to partially disassemble. I'm not going to cut these wires, I just moved it. You'll have to get to these screws to get this out. And then one point of note here is on this here, can you see this? This is bent over so it doesn't slide out. You just kind of bend that back out of the way. Slides off to the side. Now we'll drill the rivets. Hopefully I didn't lose too much hardware. And probably put it back on time lapse and we'll get to that. This poke through the front, I'm gonna actually bend that down so that this will hold that over the top. And then we'll sneak it in between. That's all.
Bye.
Okay, do you want to come take a little peek, see at what we're doing here? Basically what I did here was I laid some tape out because my black magic marker doesn't show very good on the black. I think what I'll do is buy some A32 acorns just for looks, but I didn't want those in because of the rubber gasket. But then I just centered that out 3, 6, 9, and 12 off of the edges. And then over here I mocked it all back up, put it back together, set it down, and then put a couple of marks so that when I could take it back apart here, we get her back in the center. Looks like I actually needs to come over just a hair, huh? But then I'm just going to drill those, and then the bolts will go back in that they were. So we got to find the right size drill bit, and then we'll be be ready for assembly. Yeah, so there it is all together. It looks good, fits well. What more could you want? This piece fits up in there good. I can't remember where the wires come out, so I just did them there. But now I suppose we gotta put butyl tape on her and see if our holes line up, huh? All right, we got her installed. Time for the big reveal. You ready? Are you ready for this? Oh Lord. Huh? What do you think? Oh, I can already feel it. Feels lots better in here. Now I just have to wire this up. But I don't know if in China you got is black positive or is white positive. Sometimes Chinese equipment comes with black being the positive. I don't know. But we got a little fan there that may or may not do anything noticeable. But oh yeah, we'll just dust a little red oxide on there when we're done, and that's how they do it in the camping world. So yeah, this is just gonna fall out probably when I drive it. And the fan is a exhaust fan, so I guess that's how we'll know. We'll put this power. Oh, damn it! Oh, I touched this. Oh wait, I need a ground. Got a lighter?
No. Lighting stuff on fire?
No, you use a lighter on the end of these, and the end gets hot, and you can just peel it off and pull. See?
You learned that from Joe?
Yeah. Oh. That's my brother-in-law. Let's see, the white's probably ground, right? Black's power in China.
We'll find out, I guess.
It's gonna go one way or the other. Damn it.
No way. Put it on that islet.
This is where the ground was. Oh, Lord! Oh, that's the right way. I think, right? Is it going that way? Right. Heck yeah! Dang! Powerful.
Why don't you have it in reverse switch?
Oh, suppose you can?
Yeah. You can toggle it goes one way or the other, right?
Or will that burn the motor up?
Maybe you have to flip the fan.
Oh, yeah. That's how you're supposed to do it. Oh! Oh! Yeah, that baby moves some air. You can feel it. Or that's the breeze coming in the back. Oh! On or off. I mean, it's going to circulate the air, you know, if you got her shut, you can circulate what's in here. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Feel it? Feels pretty good. Heck yeah. I'd call that a success. So wait, the white's the ground, yeah? Yeah. Okay.
No. So it was, yes, white ground.
Sick. Well, I'll wire that up quick. I'll see you next time. Hopefully you like it. I like it. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad to do. You know, cheap and available for as far as the base goes. You can buy them all put together too, but I don't think he actually, when I bought that lid, he didn't. It wasn't actually. He didn't even have a run of them yet going, and he didn't have the ones together. So. Yep. All right. Well, on that note, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one. Toodles.
Bye, everybody.
Hey, if you haven't yet, hit that like, subscribe, share with your friends. Leave a comment if you feel so obligated to. Positive, negative. We appreciate any feedback. Catch you next time.